Ni celibacy hadi wapatane.
Celibacy. Ni kunyimwa.
Stories za online. Usiwahi amini kama ni long distance relationship. Acha mimi niko Nairobi basi.
Hawezi enda siku mzima kwa ujongea na mtu wako. It means that kuna mtu mwingine anamkeep busy.
Say demo ko sameenda home.
Yeah.
Venye after kumaliza.
Uko na dem
working for you guys.
Ngoja.
Una dem. Lazima kuna dem.
Hii ni maajabu.
No, it's life. We're still in our youths, manze. See ati we are clinging on each other. When we're not together, lazima tu pia wewe kuna other basic things lazima ufanye apart from us being in a relationship. Unasheki? So if you're in a long distance relationship, communication is what matters.
Hey, so ukikaa hivi hauwezi kuwa na zile thoughts za msee demo maybe ana cheat, place yako.
You know, we are human. We are human.
Unashuku? Unashuku? We are humans.
You know, we are humans. Sometimes unaweza tu you're trapped with that temptation of cheating. Unacheki? That's how it's you cannot go like 4 months without that desire.
It's a desire.
That desire. It's human. It's being human.
To fornicate.
It's being human. Sasa name is fornication.
Name is fornication. A desire.
We're going to get fornication. Desire of talking to somebody, to bonding with somebody. Check.
Tunakuona.
Lakini mimi nasema tu emotional expression towards each other.
Shoulder to for someone to put legs on, eh?
No, you're describing your characteristics. But for me, strong communication, manze. Hiyo mambo ya kucheat pia. You just have to put your faith into your other person.
So you personally, you are okay with long distance relationship?
No, I'm not okay with the long distance relationship. But if circumstances get to us, you just have.
Say campus students when you go home.
So circumstances anamaanisha huyu unaweza cheza kando.
Sisi tumereform huko streets, tumereform manze. Huko manze, we are being loved out here manze. Don't go around cheating. Kama niko na that desire, emotional desire, I just call her and then tell her, uko wapi?
Nakutumia.
Uko wapi my miss? Nimtumie hapo cafe hapo, tokea hivi. Ama mimi nijitume nishadi place wanishi kando. We hire Airbnb hapo, then we do our thing manze, and then
stories are online. Usiwahi amini.